Why, hello. I was expecting you.
Boy, if you don't.
Hello. Did it again.
Jesus Christ.
I know. Sorry, I said yes again because I thought. Come on in. Well, welcome to my new apartment. This is the foyer, I like to call it. As you can see, the door is this nice gray, kind of brown, a little gray brown in person, wouldn't you agree? Yeah. But it's kind of like the theme of the whole apartment, which really ties together, but you'll see that as we continue to move on. So this is the front door. Cool. When you walk in to your left, we have the storage closet. Nothing major. Just storage, you know, boxes, uninteresting stuff. But one thing here is interesting, and it's this vacuum. This vacuum is okay because it has this little Febreze insert, and it just makes the whole, like when you vacuum, it just makes the whole place smell just magnificent. You should invest. I think you should.
It'll be good for the economy.
And it actually is not that expensive. Next, continue to walk in. Come on. Stop. Keep going. Stop. Keep going. You turn to your left, and you have the big, nice, spacious kitchen. I mean, look at these countertops. I really could just sit here if I wanted to, you know. Let me get them now. They look cute. Are you sure? Oh, ow. They look cute. Anyway, we have this nice big kitchen. These nice, beautiful, what you call this, granite countertops. This big, very spacious sink. You know, all of our appliances. Right here we have our cabinets, because that's what they're called, cabinets. These nice white not countertops.
Cabinet.
Thank you. Cabinets. We just have, you know, our everyday, just a lot of space in here. Just a lot of space. We also have our nice little stovetop, which I will be using a lot because I am a chef and I cook everything and no one else here cooks anything but me. We also have our oven. Beautiful. Like I said, I'm the only one that can use these things because I'm the only one that cooks. We also have our nice stainless steel microwave. Obviously, you see all the stuff in here is nice stainless steel. More cabinet space up here. I'm pretty short, so I don't really utilize this as much because I cannot reach it. We have our spice cabinet. More space, just space on space on space on space. Here, we have our nice stainless steel refrigerator. Not the white refrigerator.
And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Ooh, Lord.
Okay, that's important. You know, freezer, nice and stocked up. And we have our fridge right here, but not too much. You don't gotta see all up in there. It's not necessary. And you continue walking here. We have our washing room. You know, we have our nice washer and dryer matching set. There's a lot of space in here. I mean, you could even like, I didn't make the sound this lot in here. You can even sit on the washing machine if that is what you're into, you know? Okay. Anyway, next. Continue to walk. If you continue to walk here. Stop. Keep coming. Stop. Okay, so we're back in the foyer, as you see. So if you continue to walk, and if you just decided, I don't want to go to the left. I want to go to the right, okay? Here is my roommate's, ooh, my arms are my shade. Here is my roommate's corner. You're requested. Your presence is requested. It's my roommate! Say hello. Oh, this is the bathroom. That's my room. You don't have to go in it. Just like... Yeah. That's a closet.
Well, definitely a closet.
Yeah, that's that. It's a leak. It is a leak. That's Carmen. Yeah. We live together. Anyway. And keep going, keep going. On this side of the countertop, we have our nice bar stools that took a long time to put together. IKEA, I need you to start putting words on your instructions. Thank you. Anyway, you can do your homework here. Entertain, bar, you know, just have a good time. We have 1, 2 of those. Ooh. Comment down below if I should be a real estate agent. I think I do great, right? Yeah. Okay, over here we have our nice dining room table with my prized possession of the house, which is literally this water bottle. I'm so intrigued by it. I love it so much. You can put so much in here, and it's just so pretty to the table. Like, wouldn't you agree? So yeah, we just have our 2 little chairs, our little cushions, and we have these nice. The walls need a little bit more. The walls really do, but we have these nice mirrors in this slanted diagonal. Really cute, really fun, really funky, really fresh. Keep walking this way, and we have the beautiful, spacious living room. I mean, you could do anything in here. You can have a dance party. You could do crunches or sit-ups or whatever those are called. Yoga, like. Whatever you want to do, you know? And right here, we have this cute IKEA table. A lot of stuff in here is from IKEA because really you just cannot beat IKEA's prices. Like, what the world? And we have this nice black and white couch with these beautiful teal pillows. And just, I think it's just really nice to chill right here. It's nice and spacious, and the vibes, the gray, it's just really all great. We're gonna keep going now. I had a breath from that little crunch I did. So here we have the printer on this nice little side table we have here. We have another one on that side as well. I'm sure you guys saw it. And this is miscellaneous chair. We're not sure why she's here or where to put her. So that's that. We have this rug and the TV. So now if we keep going out here, something's really loud out here. Like, what just turned on that's really loud? So due to the random loud noise that happened, I decided to record this part as a voiceover. So as you can see, this is my balcony. The view is just other apartments, which is fine because the sun still hits right here. It just has a nice concrete floor. I mean, what else did you expect? But it's actually really nice to just sit out here, you know, enjoy nature. And it's just a really great place. As well as you can see, we have this storage space. I like to call it the garage, but you know, just storage to keep stuff that you don't want to have in your apartment because you don't have too much space. And I think that's a really good part of this apartment. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the main event, okay, which is my bedroom. Let's go. Come on. Stop. Come on. Stop. Come on. If you walk in immediately to your left is my bathroom. This is her. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Have this nice cloud shower curtain. I thought she was so cute. Amazon. Have these nice bath mats. I only have one towel here. I'll get more. Also this nice granite countertop here. A lot of storage space here as well. Got my body stuff, and my hair stuff. And what used to be a candle right here. And this is a main star of the show too. I have a water pick. I mean, it's really great. I mean, I should show you guys how it works, but this is a toothbrush. There's settings. There's clean, whiten, and massage. So that's cool. And this is the water pick part. Obviously, you know, I have my attachments here. I'll show you guys in like a vlog or something, me using it. But yeah, that's my bathroom. We're gonna come on out, but don't show too much. You guys can't see too much. You guys cannot see too much.
I already saw it.
No, they didn't. They're gonna ignore it.
What?
Come right here, right outside my bathroom is this cute little Mya. I took these letters out of my dorm room, but then I just added these ivy leaves because obviously the ivy leaves just bring everything together. Like, you're gonna see that's a theme in this entire room is just these ivy leaves and this earthy tone. We're gonna keep going. And here I have my Telfar bag, which obviously just matches this nice little Mya, so I like to keep it here just because it brings in the whole like earthy, like I said, just like these, the earthy natural tone, you know. So we're gonna keep going. And this is my plant, Kayla. I was really adamant about having a plant in my room, like a real plant, so I could be a plant mom. And I had some in my dorm, so I was not going back to fake plants. And I mean, she's doing pretty well. Like, ignore her little dead leaves. That's not important. She's okay. Just a little dramatic. Okay. You go right here. I have these nice little curtain lights. I thought that this wall was really plain and needed some pizzazz, so I put these curtain lights. We're gonna keep going. Nope, don't turn this way yet. We're gonna turn this way. Right here, I have my keyboard and my nice little picture wall behind me. I have these nice 4 minimalistic line art type pictures. I have the ocean because I love the ocean. It's free flowing. I mean, even though it's pretty scary because we don't know what's in there, still nice. And controls, you know, the moon, everything. And the moon controls the ocean. And I love the moon, obviously. The moon's right here. And I just thought they were really pretty. And obviously the ivy leaves, once again, brings the whole thing together. And having it wrapped around, I just think it was just such a good idea. Like, I am an interior designer, like, come on. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. I printed these off on the printer and got these frames from the dollar store. So don't think you have to spend a whole bunch of money on decor, because you do not. Continuing on. Sorry, my throat is dry. Continuing on, I have these 2 rocks here. One says believe and one says hope. My mom really likes giving me these rocks, you know, motivation. That's really nice. Here on this cart, I just have this really bright light. I mean, like, it's really bright. It's so if I want to, like, you know, be on the piano, and it's kind of dark sometimes in here. If we go down the rest of this crate, I just have my camera stuff up here, choir books, you know, coloring book, and my crystals are down there. We continue on. Have my TV in this little cubby box thing, but I don't have my cubbies in here, and I think I'm gonna leave it because I kind of like it open. But that's, I mean, doesn't matter. And now here I have my nice big window. Lets a lot of sun in the morning, so it's really nice. We're moving on to my favorite part of this room, which is my bed. So I chose white because it gives like a hotel vibe and it's nice and comfy, but also like it doesn't overpower the room like I could have went with a green, you know, but I thought it would be too much green. So like I like the white, gives hotel nice concise, comfortable vibes. But I do have these 2 accent pillows to bring in the green. And yeah, this is a queen size bed. I got it from IKEA as well as the mattress. And above my bed, I have this sign, which is honestly, the whole room is my prized possession. I'm not gonna lie. I have this sign. It says breathe. It's on this grass patch. I just think it's just, I don't know, it just makes me feel so zen and so comfortable and just relaxed. And also, shameless plug, I made a short film called Breathe. I mean, that's nothing, nothing major. But I just thought it really tied in together. I got this idea off of, it might have been, I don't know where I saw it, honestly, but I didn't steal it because nothing's original. But I got the idea off of the internet somewhere, but not the breathe sign. I chose the breathe sign. I think it's so cute and brings the whole bed together. And, oh, my closet. This is the last and final piece of my room, but we're not going to show too much. This is my closet. It's pretty big. I can walk back. I have stuff in here, but pretty far, but I'm not going to go too far in there because it's not too clean, but it's not messy. Like, why do you guys want to see my clothes anyway? You know? That brings us to the end of this apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got some ideas for designing, or I just hope you guys just like watching me struggle to explain my apartment for a couple minutes because I was stumbling and fumbling. But I mean, whatever. Yeah, so stay tuned for more videos, and you'll be seeing a lot more of me in my room now that I have given the room tour. So peace.